Hello everybody, and what we're about to do now on the Crown Lounge is keep it old fashioned, and we're going to make a bourbon espresso old fashioned. Right, again, this is the colder part of the month, right, year. So what we're going to do is make something that we can chill by fire or watch a good movie and just relax, right? You can do it with a regular old fashioned, but why be regular, right? No need to be regular. So first, we're going to start off with 2 ounces of bourbon of your choice. I'm using Buffalo Trace because I like to make old fashions with Buffalo Trace. Next, we're going to start off with 3/4 of an ounce of a brown sugar simple syrup. Right? It's not hard to make simple syrups. Plenty of recipe videos on YouTube, right? So 3/4 of an ounce. Next, we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of freshly brewed coffee. I have an espresso machine. And that is 1.5 ounces of fresh brewed coffee. Next, we're going to do 2 ounces of, 2 dashes, 2 dashes of a chocolate bitter. 1, 2. Next, I'm going to give it a stir. Then I'm going to add my nice rocks cube. Just a little stir because that coffee was still hot. Cheers, guys. And let's enjoy. You'll see. Maybe it's the coffee because it's a good quality coffee that I got from Kenya. But I know espresso martinis are a thing, right? I think we need to make espresso old fashions a bigger thing. That is so good. It really is that good. Like, again, it could be the quality of the coffee because it's a good quality of coffee, but the mixture of coffee and that brown sugar simple syrup and the 2 dashes of chocolate bitters, oh man. This might be one of my new favorite drinks. I'm going to stop talking and continue drinking. Cheers, guys, and don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.